When it comes to wireless microphones, Hollyland has designed solutions for creators at every level. The Lark A1 is an easy-to-use, beginner-friendly option that makes capturing daily moments simple and fun. Meanwhile, the Lark MAX 2 is built for advanced and professional creators who demand powerful features and pro-grade audio tools. Lark MAX 2 features an innovative unlimited monitoring function with low-latency wireless monitoring available when using one transmitter and 2 receivers. Hey guys, this is MHD Tech, and before starting the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and unboxings. Unboxing experience. Lark A1 Combo Version. Inside the box, charging case, 2 transmitters, 1 lightning receiver, 1 USB-C receiver, cables and accessories. Available in black or white. Lark MAX 2 Ultimate Combo. Inside the box, transmitters, camera receiver, USB-C receiver, charging case, furry windshields, USB-C to lightning cable. Both come neatly organized for plug-and-play convenience. But while the A1 focuses on portability, the MAX 2 package is designed to support larger, more complex productions. Design and build. Lark A1. Lightweight, compact, designed for on-the-go creators. The case is travel-friendly and ensures long battery endurance. Lark MAX 2. Premium and professional with its hover clip system that secures without drooping. Its skin-friendly nano coating makes it comfortable for all-day shoots. Lark A1. Hi-fi audio, capture with rich lows and crisp highs. Noise cancellation, 3 adjustable levels, weak, medium, strong. EQ and reverb modes, balance, low, bright plus reverb, small, medium, large. Auto limit clip protection for consistent levels. Up to 54 hours of battery life with charging case. 200-meter line of sight range with anti-interference stability. Lark MAX 2 low latency wireless monitoring. 0.1 millisecond delay up to 100 meters. 32-bit float recording with 14 hours of backup storage per transmitter. AI noise cancellation that separates speech from background noise. Hover clip system, discreet and secure mounting. Skin-friendly nano coating for comfort. Frame-level time code. Sync for multicam shoots. Multi-person recording. Up to 4 transmitters on 1 receiver. Lark A1. Best for vloggers, streamers, short-form content, and travel creators. The Lark MAX 2 suited for filmmakers, event videographers, panel discussions, and professional projects that demand precision, flexibility, and reliability. The Lark A1 and Lark MAX 2 are not rivals. They're partners in the Hollyland lineup. The A1 is the easy entry point, designed for capturing happy moments and keeping audio simple yet polished. The MAX 2 is the next level choice, built for professionals handling complex recording environments. Together, they cover the full range of creator needs, from everyday recording to high-end production. With Hollyland's Lark series, no matter where you are on your journey, your sound will always be heard. So, this is it for the video. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you want more unboxing and review videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay tuned. This is MHD Tech. See you in the next video. Until then, peace out.